The 2025 BMW M5 is the ultimate fusion of high-performance engineering, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, redefining what a super sedan should be. With its bold new design, a more powerful electrified drivetrain, and state-of-the-art features, the M5 continues to push the boundaries of the automotive world. The exterior of the 2025 M5 is a perfect blend of aggression and sophistication. The signature kidney grille is now wider and more pronounced, flanked by sleek adaptive LED headlights with laser technology for enhanced visibility. The sculpted hood, aerodynamic side skirts, and flared wheel arches give the M5 a muscular stance, while the quad exhaust system and carbon fiber rear diffuser emphasize its performance-oriented character. Riding on lightweight 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, the M5 exudes dominance on any road. Inside, the cabin is designed to deliver both comfort and an immersive driving experience. The driver-centric cockpit features an all-new curved digital display that seamlessly integrates the latest iDrive infotainment system with a customizable instrument cluster. Premium merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. The M-specific sports seats provide exceptional support, ensuring maximum comfort even at high speeds. A Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof further enhance the interior experience, making the M5 as refined as it is thrilling. Under the hood, the 2025 M5 introduces a groundbreaking plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, producing an astonishing 735 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This electrified setup allows for blistering acceleration, launching the M5 from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.0 seconds. The intelligent MX-Drive all-wheel drive system, combined with an adaptive suspension and active rear differential, ensures precise handling and exceptional stability. Drivers can switch between various driving modes, including an all-electric mode for emission-free city driving and a track mode for unleashing its full potential. What sets the 2025 BMW M5 apart is its perfect balance between extreme performance and everyday usability. With its hybrid technology, it offers improved efficiency without compromising on raw power. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, provide added safety and convenience. The M5's combination of breathtaking speed, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology makes it the definitive choice for enthusiasts who demand the best of both worlds. BMW has once again set the benchmark for high-performance luxury sedans, proving that the M5 remains an icon in the automotive industry. The 2025 Audi RS7 is a bold statement of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, combining aggressive styling with exhilarating performance. This next-generation high-performance sedan elevates the driving experience, pushing the boundaries of design and engineering while staying true to Audi's racing heritage. From the first glance, the exterior of the 2025 RS7 captivates with its commanding presence. The wide, low stance is accentuated by a redesigned front grille with a honeycomb pattern, flanked by sleek, laser-powered LED headlights that provide unmatched visibility. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a sculpted hood, larger air intakes, and an adaptive rear spoiler, optimize airflow for both stability and efficiency. The muscular wheel arches house striking 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, emphasizing the RS7's athletic nature. Carbon fiber accents and an aggressive rear diffuser complete the look, ensuring the RS7 stands apart on any road. Stepping inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of modern luxury and sportiness. The driver-centric cockpit is adorned with premium materials such as Valcona leather, carbon fiber trims, and Alcantara inserts, creating an immersive driving environment. The fully digital Audi virtual cockpit offers customizable displays, providing real-time performance data and navigation assistance. The RS Sports seats offer exceptional support and comfort, while ambient lighting and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system enhance the in-cabin experience. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and high-end finishes, making the RS7 as practical as it is thrilling. Beneath the sculpted hood lies a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 650 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This power plant, paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, launches the RS7 from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.2 seconds. The performance is further amplified by adaptive air suspension, dynamic all-wheel steering, and an RS-tuned exhaust system that delivers a symphony of raw power. Whether on the track or the open road, the RS7 offers an engaging yet composed driving experience.